Hello everyone, welcome to MMD Oral. Today we will learn how does GPS work. I have already posted a video action to be taken in case of GPS failure. If you have not watched that video, you can watch. Link is given in the description. GPS or the Global Positioning System is a global navigation satellite system that provides location, velocity and time to approach. GPS is everywhere in the world. You can find GPS on board ship and you can find GPS system in your car, your smartphone and in your watch also. GPS helps you get where are you going from one location to another. GPS is owned by US government. There are total 33 satellites in space. The working operation of GPS is based on trilateration. The position is determined from the distance measurement to the satellites. Now we will understand what is trilateration principle. All satellites do is broadcast a signal for GPS receiver. The first satellite broadcasts a signal that receives your GPS receiver. This means that your position could be anywhere on this circle. When your GPS receiver receives second signal, this means we have two known positions, this one or this one. When your GPS receiver gets signal from third satellite using all three distances or where three circles intersect, trilateration pinpoint a precise location. So this will be your position. As the position of the GPS receiver moves, the radius of each circle will also change. So this is all about how does GPS work. In my next topic, I will be explaining some important questions of ECDIS. You can go through these topics. These are important for oral examination. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Link is given in the description. Thanks for watching guys.